Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a new subscription box to share with you. This one is called Excavating Adventures, and it is a monthly subscription that costs $26.99 with free US shipping, and it's, you know, rocks and gems and things. So I haven't opened this yet. I'm really curious, so I thought that I would do this, you know, on camera so we could kind of, you know, figure it out together. Very cute. I don't know what that was. Oh, sticker, Excavating Adventures, Gemstone Journey. Okay, so we have our collector box that we can store our rocks and gems and things in. And then there's all this other stuff that I don't know what this is. I'm totally curious. Whoa, that's heavy. Gemstone Journey. 1. Use the tools in the small envelope to scrape away, uncover, and examine the specimens in the excavation tin. Small envelope. This is fun. I feel like I should be doing this with my kids. Fresh nap, tiny little magnifying glass, a little brush, and a little wedgie tool. It's probably not a wedgie tool. This is the tin. I'm a little afraid it's like full of sand and I'm gonna get it all over the place. Oh, it's like, it's hard, like clay or something in here. See right here. Okay, so I guess you can just, you know, dig in here and excavate some gems. Oh, how fun. I'm totally gonna make my kids do this. What's step number 2? Okay, use the polishing rag, moist towelette to clean your specimens. Use the pictures on the front of this card to identify your specimens. Store your specimens in the plastic collector's box. Open the envelope of trading cards, explore the information on the back of the cards, and then store the cards in the plastic binder sheet. Select your favorite specimen and put it in the cardboard display box. Once you have completed all of the above steps, place the Gemstone Journey passport sticker on one of the question marks on your Excavating Adventures passport. Oh, was that the sticker that fell out? Here's the trading cards. Oh yeah, we've got like emerald. Emerald is one of the 4 recognized precious gemstones. The others are ruby, sapphire, and diamond. Emerald gets its green coloring from trace amounts of chromium and/or vanadium? I don't know. The oldest emeralds are about 2.97 billion years old. Top quality emeralds can be worth more than diamonds on a per carat basis. 50 points. Oh, okay, so this is the one where we store our favorite, and then I think this is the one that we put on our passport. Gemstone Journey. So I guess others will be other types of journeys. That is my guess. Okay, I'm gonna go see if my kids wanna do this. So you have your little tools and you can dig in there and find some gems.
Okay. I found something, but I can't get it out.
Keep digging.
This might be topaz. Yeah, I think so. Is there more than one in here?
There are.
I hope we find all of them. You see it?
Yep.
So, me and Jensen both wanted, Jensen wanted that one. I wanted the emerald. Snowflake obsidian? I have no idea what that says.
Obsidian?
Obsidian.
I think.
And then Minnie wanted this purple one.
Amethyst?
Amethyst. And this is what we did. I threw some sand in because I didn't want to waste the sand. Here's one of them. It's still a little sandy.
Oh, you know what? They gave us a wipe so that you could polish it. Did you have fun doing this?
Yes, I did.
So you can see the kids loved the box. I thought that this was so fun and so cool for them. As soon as I told them what it was, they were like, yes, I want to do it, and ran outside to go digging in the thing. And it's, you know, it's tiny, but they had a really good time. It took them a decent amount of time to actually dig through the hard, compact dirt or whatever it is, you know, so it wasn't like a super easy, quick thing, which was good. It's always good to, you know, entertain your children for more than 3 seconds. So I thought this was a really fun and cool thing to do. And then it kind of gets them interested in, you know, things like rocks and gems and all of that stuff and just excavating thing. I know June, especially my daughter, constantly wants to look for dinosaur bones in the backyard. So having something like this is really great for them, you know, and it gets them off the computer, and I'm a big fan right now. So I think this is really fun. I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!